Hi, my name is Ramandeep Dhillon. I work for DDP Engineering. In this presentation, I'm proposing a project for street improvement in Virginia City, Ohio. The street name is Cutbank Road, and we will be providing the design work um, for this street. The proposal number is 4567. The topics I'm going to cover in this presentation are company information, capabilities, project approach, and why do you want to select us? First of all, I'll give you a background on my company, DDP Engineering. Um, this company was founded in 2010 as a local design and land surveying company in Athens, Ohio. Um, Ever since then, this company has grown into a multidisciplinary full-service firm providing services such as civil engineering, structural engineering, design services, construction management, and also geotechnical services. Um, our office locations are in Athens, Ohio, which is the headquarters, Charleston, Wyoming, uh, New Haven, Connecticut. On this slide, you will see the organizational structure of DDP Engineering. Thomas is the principal in charge of the firm. Um, Chris Pittman is also the principal, and myself, Raman, I will be your project manager who will directly be responsible for all aspects of design work and geotechnical services. Our company brings extensive design experience on large projects. One such project that we recently worked on last year is the design work of Nelsonville Bypass in the city of Ohio. On the left image, you will see the city of Ohio, and on top of that shows you the elevation map. We acquired the data, the land survey data for this project, which is plotted using Google Maps, and it shows you very rough terrain. So before building a highway, you would want to determine the cut and fill volumes for the excavation work. So we calculated all the necessary calculations for this design work, and we also created digital elevation models, which is shown in the bottom left image, and also the final design that we proposed to this company. Some other projects that my company worked on is accelerated bridge construction work in Utah. This bridge on the left image was installed in 24 hours with minimal traffic delays. We carried this 3 million pound bridge on SPMT rollers, and it was successfully installed by my company. And a second project that we also completed last year is Two Medicine Bridge in Montana. We installed 15-foot deck segments to balance this bridge. As I understand, the scope of this project is to provide design work to connect Cutbank Road to Hungry Horse Drive. My company can definitely do this. We have worked on several projects similar to the same project scope, um, and some of the expectations that your company will have is to remove the traffic congestion on the roads and to improve the city utilities. On the next slide, you'll see how we approach our projects and how we outperform other companies in terms of project planning. Some of the challenges that any construction company will face on a project like this would be finding the existing utilities, and also it'll require a large amount of excavation work. Some of the problems that we will be dealing will be getting the right of way from the homeowners in this area. That will also require getting into contracts with homeowners. My company has a lot of experience in construction management, and we can definitely help you get through this. This slide shows project approach that a construction company XYZ will take in comparison with what DDP engineers would do in a similar situation. To locate an existing utility, a lot of times these companies will start excavating without knowing where it actually exists. This just adds to their cost of the project, and in the end, the owner of the project will end up paying large amount of money on unknown costs. This is because of the poor planning that the contractors would usually do. Here at DDP Engineering, we take a smart approach. We specialize in using technology on our projects. On the right side, you will see how we use ground penetrating radar technology to image the subsurface prior to excavation work. We actually know where the utility exists, and we can save a lot of time, labor, and money for the project owners. So you definitely want to hire DDP Engineering on your projects. We provide the best optimal solutions to the projects that will be delivered to the owners. So you definitely want to hire us. We have successfully completed projects of similar scope and size as to your project. On this table, you'll see the projects that we have actually worked on ever since 2011. And your project, Cutbank Road, is currently we are bidding on. It's in progress. And what we understand, the length of this project will be 1,500 linear feet. We are available anytime. If in case you want details on pricing, we can provide you that. And why do you want to select us again? That is because our staff is very experienced on projects like these. We have an average experience of 8 years. And on the next slide, you'll see the resumes of the project teams assigned on your project. We have a track record project completion on time and within schedule. This is a brief qualification summary of the people that are assigned to your project. We'll start off with the principal of the company, who is Thomas. He holds a Bachelor's of Science in Civil Engineering, and also he is working towards his Civil Engineering and Construction Management from Ohio University. I am Raman Dillon. I'm also a principal in the company. My lead role on this project will be land surveying and geotechnical work. And the third person that will be assigned on your project will be Christopher Pittman. His role will be as a civil engineer. And once again, we are very happy to provide you this project proposal, and we will look forward in working with your company. If in case you have any questions or inquiries, you can send us an email anytime. We'll be very happy to work with you. And thank you very much.